You can teach him.
On the alley, I was saying, Aiden, no going on the alley.
That's right. That's what Brendan's going to tell you.
Aiden, no going on the alley.
He's going to do that with Aiden if Aiden never goes in the alley. Just because he's his big brother. Gentle. What do you think about that, Aiden? Aren't you lucky?
Oh. I can't turn now.
Very nice.
I'm watching a movie.
Oh, you're right. What, Aiden? What were you saying?
He said, good talking, Aiden.
Very good talking. Thanks, Brendan.
Good talk.
Good talking.
Baby.
Anything else?
Good baby.
Very
Yeah.
good. Gentle, Brendan. Anything else? Is that all Brendan wants to know?
Yeah, that's all.
Is it all?
I want to watch a movie, Mom. Right here, the big brother.
There's big brother Brendan, chaps. You want to say anything else, Aiden?
No.
He doesn't?
No. I want to watch a movie. I want to watch a movie.
Well, we're making the movie right now. We gotta make it before we can watch it. Hi. Hey, Aiden. Look at Aiden's eyes are turning brown. Are you getting brown eyes like me and Brendan?
Only kiss. Oh, hi there.
Hi, Aiden.
I get this off.
Hi.
I got my size. Hi there.
Are you talking?
Is this my hair? Hi there.
Very good. Yes? Really? He's talking again, Brendan.
What? Why are you talking again?
What are you saying now?
My meals by China. Good news? Yeah, good news. Why is this something? One day go.
Is that what it says? What does it say?
It says one go.
Anything else?
That's all.
That's all.